Computers are our friends for life. They are our integral part of our life. But the same computer can harm us. Let us see why it happens. So a person who is looking at a computer screen, who is concentrating on his work, does not blink as much as he should as a normal person blinks. A normal person generally blinks 10 to 12 times per minute. But a person who is concentrating on his computer work does not blink that much. So, the blinking is less. The weighting of the eye is poor. So, the weighting of the eye is poor. There are problems which are associated with oxygen supply to the eye. Other problems are a person who is sitting in an AC room, who is concentrating on his computer work, will have a higher chance of having dry eye. The third thing is that which we can modify is the height of the monitor. So when I am looking at a monitor is generally placed at my eye level. So when I am looking at the monitor, the white part of my eye is more exposed. So as the white part of the eye is more exposed, I have the higher chance of having dry eye. In compare with when I am looking at a laptop is kept 20 to 25 degree beneath the plane where the monitor is kept. So I am looking down, the white part. Now when I am looking at the laptop, the white part of my eye is less exposed. So I am having less chance of having dry eye. So there are many things which we can do to prevent the computer vision syndrome. So the first and the effective thing is that we should remember to blink as much as we can. So when we are blinking, there is a fresh layer of tear that are coating the cornea. The cornea does not have any blood supply. It depends on the atmosphere for its oxygen supply. So the cornea, which is wet, which is not dry, has a greater oxygen transmittability. The second thing is that when you are sitting in a AC room, when you are doing something on the monitor, your vision is fixed for the near work on the monitor. Now, when you try to look at a distance object, you can immediately know that that is not focused for some time because our vision is particularly fixed for the monitor. To avoid that, in every 20 minutes, spare 20 seconds in focusing on a far object, that is 20-20 rule. Simply means that when you are focusing on your monitor for 20 minutes, so after the completion of 20 minutes, you focus or you look at something at far so that the focusing lock is broken. And the last thing is displacement of the monitor. So you displace the position of your monitor from your eye level to something 20 to 25 degree beneath that, so that when you are looking at your eye level, the white part is more exposed, so it causes more dry eye. Then when you are looking something down, when you are looking at down, your eyelid is coming a bit down and the white part of your eye is less exposed, so it causes less dry eye, or you can say the drying effect is very less.